Hobbyists, and welcome to this video. So in this video, we are going to talk about the new feature here, which is the Co-Creator in Microsoft Paint. So as you can see here, there's an option called Co-Creator. So it's essentially an AI-based creator, as you can see here. Uh, it helps you to run some prompts after when you sign into your Microsoft account, and then it helps you to create some exciting stuff. So let's see what happens. So if we sign in, so let me just quickly go ahead and sign in. Just wait for it. So it says that you'll have to get early access. You'll have to join the waitlist. So let's go ahead and join the waitlist here. So I'll do a next. So here you can see that what you can do here with the co-creators, you can write some prompts like a cat walking in the woods or a house made out of leaves. So it's very similar to what you can do with Midjourney, right? And then you can also choose a style as well. And then you can choose your favorite option. So there are variations of that output. So let's just do it. Do a next, and you can also do some pixel arts. You can get credits to help you make some more digital art. Yeah. So as you can see on the right, let me just try a prompt, right? So let's say a dog walking on streets uh, of New York in the night with a cinematic view, and choose a style. Maybe we'll choose as a charcoal. Let's see how that goes. Let's go and create. So there are three variations of this. So let's go ahead and do this. And this looks really good. So let's fix this. Let's see how this looks on this one. Use this one first. And go ahead and save this. So let's go ahead and save as a PNG picture, because that will have so let's go ahead and save this picture, and let's see what we can do with the, say for example, Canva. So let's go ahead and create a design. Let's say I'm just going to create a square picture for Instagram. And say I'm just going to import. Let's just go ahead and upload a file, and we will upload the picture that we just created. Let's just add this. So that is now in center. Now let's go ahead and add some text. And for the text, let's go ahead and say use the free version of Google Gemini, and just say write a catchy headline for 2 to 3 letter headline for a dog walking on the streets. Yeah, I think this is nice. So just gonna download this as a PNG file and see how it goes. Now this is a good looking output, I would say. Let us know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching.